Want to get your NFL app working again without endless frustration? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is force close the app. For that, you want to open up your settings, or you can also tap and hold on the NFL app, then tap on this eye icon, which will directly take you to settings. Here, you will find the option of force stop. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the OK option. Go ahead and relaunch the NFL app. Log into your account if you have to and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is clear the app's cache. For that, again tap and hold on the app, then tap on this I button. Now you will find the option of storage. Tap on that. Here tap on clear cache. If you want, tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Now it's going to delete all the data of this app, so you will have to log in again. Log in and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, launch open Play Store. Tap on the search bar and search NFL. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now open the app and check if your problem is fixed. You also want to make sure your internet connection is solid. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router, or try a different network. That's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.